Hey everyone, this is Schrader. Today I'd like to talk a little bit about SharePoint 2010 Workflow Engine retirement and SharePoint Online. A couple of key important dates that are coming up. August 1st of 2020. Any environment in Office 365 that is created after this date will no longer be able to run SharePoint 2010 Workflow. And then for the remaining environments, after November 1st, your existing Office 365 tenants will no longer be able to run SharePoint 2010 Workflow. So today, if you're using SharePoint 2010 Workflow in SharePoint Online, after November 1st, those workflows will no longer run. So how does this impact your organization? Well, with SharePoint 2010 Workflow Engine being retired, all workflows will cease to run on the previous slide's date. How do you even know if you have SharePoint 2010 Workflow Engine workflows in your organization? Well, if you use any of the out-of-the-box list template workflows, such as 3-state workflow or disposition workflow, those are SharePoint 2010 engine workflows, and those will cease to run. There's also any custom SharePoint 2010 emails that your organization may have built. So if you have any developers or anybody like that going into SharePoint Designer, creating a custom workflow, they might have actions such as emailing a user or updating an item. One thing you can do is search through your mailbox or power user's mailbox for any email from no-reply@sharepointonline.com. And take a look through all of the different types of emails that come up in there. But if any of those look very custom, like your organization's branding, or anything that might look like it was built by your organization, there's a good chance that could be a SharePoint 2010 engine workflow. And you would work with your development team. You could reach out to the community. I'm happy to help out. You can always give me a call and take a look and see if that's really a SharePoint 2010 engine workflow that sent that email. One thing that's not being retired is the task template email. So if you ever get those alert me's that come through that have at the bar at the bottom of the email body that says modify this alert or change my alert settings, those are all actually event receivers behind the scenes. Those are not going away. So just be on the lookout for any custom emails or those 3-state approval workflows that I mentioned. Those will be going away if they're using SharePoint 2010 Workflow Engine. Well, what can you do? Microsoft Flow is a great replacement for SharePoint 2010 Workflow. You can quickly create new flows that will update items in SharePoint Online, email users when an item's modified, nightly emails even to based on what items are in a list, anything you can think of. Flow can probably do it. There's also abilities to copy your workflows a lot easier than you could in SharePoint Designer with SharePoint 2010 Workflow Engine. So that's another benefit. And there's even, Microsoft Flow has pre-canned templates that you can kind of get started with integrating with SharePoint or even other third-party solutions. So there's a lot of great options out there. I'd really recommend, if you haven't already, take a look at Flow and try to identify those SharePoint 2010 Workflow Engine workflows in your organization and see how you can kind of convert them over to Flow. It's pretty easy once you use Flow. Give it a shot. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it's been informative. If you have any questions, you can give me a call. I'm always happy to help out. You can comment down below on the video or on my blog. And thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.